Hello friends, now you're watching Random Tech YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel, that is Random Tech, and please hit the bell icon for Random Tech latest videos. So today I'm going to show you how to fix apps not installed in your Android device. Apps not installed problem in your Android device. So many people used to face those problem in their device while installing some apps. It used to show up apps not installed. So I'm not facing the problem right now in my device, so I can only suggest you and I can only show you how to solve that. If you are facing this kind of problem, you can simply go to Google Play Store, and then top left corner go to Play Protect, and then tap here and go to settings. You have to turn off this bot. You have to turn on this bot, and then try installing those apps you want to install, but it's not being able to install because it shows apps not installed. So you can simply go and turn off this bot and then try installing the apps. I will make sure that it will fix the problem. So that's it. I hope you like the video, and thank you for watching the video.